Hello everyone! In today's lesson we will be proving this equation. We have arctan x plus arctan y equals arctan x plus y divided by 1 minus x multiplied by y. Now to prove this we will be using this formula here for tan a plus b. This formula is given in the IB Math booklet. So now we will start the proof here by taking tan of the left hand side fully. So we will have here tan of arctan x plus arctan y. We put the left hand side fully here inside tan. And now we will apply this formula here as if we have here a, which is arctan x, and b is arctan y. So here as we see, we have tan a plus tan b. We can write now tan a, which is tan of arctan x, plus tan of b, which is arctan y, divided by 1 minus the product of the same two tangents. So here we have 1 minus the product between the same two tangents above. Now as we know, tangent and arctangent are inverse of each other, so they cancel each other, and here as well. So here we will have only x left, and here we have only y left, and down we also have the same. So we will have 1 minus x only multiplied by y only. So the fraction now will be written like this: x plus y divided by 1 minus x times y. So now what we got so far is that this tangent is equal to this fraction. I will write it here again. So we have tangent of this equals to this fraction. Now before we move on from this point, here we have revision on inverse trig or inverse tangent. Here we have tangent A equals B. If we need to get the angle A from inside of the tangent, then A will be arctan of the right hand side. Therefore here, if we need to get arctan x plus arctan y, it will be arctan of the right side, like this. We have arctan x plus arctan y equals arctan of the right hand side as it is. And with this step, we have proved the question here. Now we will have this example on what we have proved. We need to calculate arctan of half plus arctan of 1 over 3, depending on this without calculator. Here we'll assume that x is equal to half and y is equal to 1 over 3 and apply this. So we will have now here arctan of x plus y over 1 minus x times y. So we will have now arctan of x plus y. So we have half plus 1 over 3 divided by 1 minus half multiplied by 1 over 3 as we have here. If we simplify the numerator and the denominator here, we will get 5 over 6 for both. So we have this divided by itself, which will be 1. So the answer will be arctan of 1. And as we know, arctan 1 is pi over 4 radians or 45 degrees, because tan pi over 4 is equal to 1. Now someone might say, but also tan 5 pi over 4 is 1. So here another possible answer would be 5 pi over 4, like this. But this is here wrong, because as we know, the range of the function arctan x is from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 only. We cannot get an answer that's bigger than pi over 2, like 5 pi over 4, so 5 pi over 4 is wrong. And the only answer here is pi over 4. I hope that you have found the video helpful. Please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.